Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the introduction of tense. Okay, part 2. Actually, in introduction, I am just giving you explanation of the structure of the tenses. Okay, and after this, we will just study about the uses of tenses. So till present perfect tense we have done. So today I am going to just explain the structure of past perfect tense. The structure is given here: subjects plus had plus V3 plus subject. So explanation, same explanation I have given, same lines I have given you. Okay, in past perfect tense also, she had written an application. So this is the sentence in past perfect tense. So when you will go use the past perfect, okay, in uses, you'll come to know that past perfect tense and the simple past tense are used together. Means the patient had died before the doctor came. This kind of sentences you might have heard. डॉक्टर के आने के पहले रोगी मर चुका था. So this is this that we will use, okay, in uses of past perfect tense. But here you please see only the structure of past perfect, that subjects plus had plus V3 plus object. Negative, after in negative we will only add not, like she had not written an application. In question, had plus subject plus V3 plus subject. Had she written an application, question mark. How had she written an application? This is the question. You will have to write down at least 3 sentences from question, and 2 sentences from negative, and 1 sentence from affirmative of past perfect tense. Okay, now the next one is future perfect tense. Very limited use are there of future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Subjects plus shall will have plus V3 plus object. She will have written an application. So this is the kind of sentence that is rarely used. Negative, subjects plus shall will have plus not plus V3 plus object. She shall have, it is not she shall, once again the mistake is there. She will have written an application. So in place of shall, you write down will in negative. Question, shall will plus subjects plus have plus V3 plus subject. Shall she have written an application? In place of shall, you write down will. Okay, it will make things clear. I will do the editing work, okay, in file also. So there is very limited or rare use are there of future perfect tense. You will see. Okay, next one is present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used. Okay, so the structure is subjects plus has have plus been plus before plus subject plus for oblique since or plus time. This tense is used. Okay, so first we will come to know about the use of for and since. So for is used for the duration of time, and since is used for the point of time. So what is point of time? Point of time is exact time, like since March and for 2 months. So when there is a point, it is since. When there is a duration, it is for. Okay, so now see, after the structure we have the sentence, she has been writing an application for 3 hours. Okay, and if the this is the duration of time, that's why it is for 3 hours. And if it is the point of time, it will be since 10 o'clock. Okay, this is the point of time. You have been reading in this school for 2 years. Same example I have given you for the use of for and since. So for 2 years or oblique since 2018. So 2018 is the point of time and 2 years is the period of time. That's why it is used for 2 years and since 2018. I think it is clear. If there is any doubt, please message me on my WhatsApp. Past perfect. Past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Structure is subjects plus had been plus before plus object plus for and since and plus time. See, the only difference between present perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense is that in present perfect continuous tense, the action is continue. Okay, means I have been reading in this school for 2 years. It means still I am reading, And if I say, if I had been reading, this shows that I have stopped reading here. Okay, means the action had stopped. The continuity had been stopped. So had is showing that something of past, and have is showing that something that starts in the past and still continued in the present tense. So that is the very small difference that you will keep in your mind. So there is no use of interrogative and negative, rarely used, but you can now make interrogative and negative of this past perfect continuous tense, because we have done almost all the tenses. They are negative, interrogative, or questions. Okay, so she had been writing an application for 2 hours. The interrogative may be had she been writing an application for 3 hours. Like this you can make negative or interrogative also. Why had she been writing an application for 2 hours? Like this is WH. Now next one is future perfect continuous tense. This tense is also rarely used. Okay, subjects plus shall oblique will plus have plus been plus before plus object since for plus time. The example I have given, the same sentence, she will have been writing an application for 2 hours. So this is in future. Okay, prediction. And in this way I have tried to just explain all the tenses, their structure, and in next class I will continue the explanation of the uses of tenses, in which case, in which situation they are used, and what kind of situation and what kind of condition we can explain in which sentence or which type of tense. Okay, like what are the things we can explain in present tense, what are the things we can explain in past tense, and what are the things we can explain in future tense, and what kind of condition, okay, we can explain in present, past, and future. So these things I will explain in the uses of tenses. So you please write down first 12 tenses are there, and 12 5 ja 60. So 60 sentence you have to write down at least. I don't know how many of you have written. I have not received many. So please write down at least 60 sentence. From each tense, at least one affirmative, two negative, and 3 questions. But I recommend you to write down, okay, simple present tense, okay, interrogative, negative, 5 5. Simple past tense, affirmative, negative, and question also, 5 5. So this simple present tense or simple past tense is very much important. Then once again, present perfect tense and past perfect tense, very important. Then present continuous tense and past continuous tense, very important. So these tenses are generally used in expression and explanation. So you must write down the sentence first. Then it will be easy for you to recognize and identify the tense of the sentence, and then you will be able to understand the actual meaning. In next class, I will try to explain the uses of tense. We'll initiate with simple present tense. Any confusion in the introduction of tense, you may ask, okay, on my WhatsApp or personally or in the group. I have asked you all to just prepare the PDF file. So don't create confusion. PDF file means whatever work we have done from April to June, okay, that you have to compile all the works. What is the works we have done? The works of English literature, means the book. I have given you explanation. I asked you to write down the word meaning, okay, read them, underline them, and write down their meaning. This is the first work I have given you. So this you will have to do, and you have done that. After that, I have asked in poem section or poetry section to write down the summary. So in poetry section, you will write the summary. And if I ask, writing a story section to write down the main points of this story, so you will write down like that. And then NCERT questions of the chapters you will have to do. That you have done already, okay, in homework assignment. In writing section practice, we have done, diary and notice and article writing, formal letter writing and informal letter writing. So these portions should be covered, and even I have given you, questions from each writing part. So whatever question I have given you, I have just given you just a formal letter 4 or 5 questions I have given you. So at least write down two, 3 questions, whatever you have written, and wherever you have done, you just click the photographs, okay, of that formal informal letter, and just compile it, okay, in your PDF file. Same case with the grammar. We have done some models, okay, and doing with tenses. And initially we have done, clauses or determiners, very brief, practice there. So that is very important. You should do all these things and prepare the PDF files very soon, as soon as possible, and share it before Sunday or till Sunday, so that I could start doing correction work, okay, and could decide very soon the portion of class 10. Otherwise, if you will not prepare the PDF, I will not be able to just decide the portion of PA1, because I know that some of the students join the WhatsApp group late. Some, only some, and some had problem with network or the mobile or everything. So initially they were not very much concerned about their homework assignment and everything. So I recommend you all that those who are missing their homework assignment and not done properly, they must ask favor to you, their friends and colleagues on their WhatsApp, okay. And any help or any explanation required in anything, you may ask to me also, okay. And just try to finish the work that I have given you. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all. The homework assignment today is that I have given here, write 5 sentences from each tenses that I have explained today only. At least 60 sentences you have to write down, write and share it.